The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Mdlalo Nedbank Cup. Last 32, Budala Park, Cape Town, DHL Stadium. Sold out on a Wednesday evening. Stellenbosch are through to the last 16. The defending champions are out. Mr. Tso, and we're going to now Mdlalo kunjani?
Amhlekazi angicela ngibulise uMsinkiwe
Qalela Mr. Tso.
ngibulise uchairman
Qalela Mr. Tso.
ngibulise Stizi Bobo Khaduso amhlekazi omhle
Mr. Tso Tso.
ongasukubhubha ngecawa
Mr. Tso, uthenga litho lezansi nje Mr. Tso.
no mina I always keep that level I change shit nginibulise ngale emakhaya ngicela support njalo at Ski TV ngizobeka nje njalo angijiki futhi amakhosi for life
Eish.
You know, Shane, let me tell you something that you don't know, but you'll know from now.
Yeah.
Well done to Stellis.
Yeah.
Well done to Coach Steve Parker.
Coach Gavin Hunt.
Okay, sorry. Boy, thank you. Thank you.
Actually thought that umoya yakho uhlile so.
No. It's just that I you know, Steve Parker, he's just branded himself as Stellis.
It's a forgivable mistake. So
yeah, it's because of he just branded that team as Steve Parker. So yeah, sorry, Coach Gavin Hunt. I'm going to apologize to you directly. I know. Sorry. I'm going to
send that WhatsApp text.
No, I'll do that. I'll do that before things happen. Well done, Coach Gavin Hunt. Very good plan. The thing is that I think he's got good players there, and those players they complement the type of football that he wants to play. There's one thing that I will say now, Shane, that as we're talking about how they were playing, are you aware that he was playing without a striker?
Oh, Coach Kevin.
Were you aware? Okay, let me break it down for you.
Okay.
On the right, he had used on the right,
Yeah.
and then he had this boy. I always forget his name. That boy was playing as a right centre back, and then he had Ulontuzana Ulibusa centre back. He had Maloisana centre back, and then he had Ulontuzana Utiwane as a left back. So he had 5.
Okay.
Then in the middle, he had Umtiane, had Chapa,
Yeah.
had
Pusaka.
Pusaka.
Titus.
3 in that midfield. And then, Pusaka was playing as a sort of like a half wing left. And then you had Titus on the right. There's one player that, is it Kumo? Makubo. Yes, Makubo was playing there in the midfield. So he played the game without a strike. But he beat Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah. Makubu, nobody plays as a striker too.
Yeah, but he was more
playing
more in deep in the midfield.
Yeah.
You know what they were doing, because they were using more of Titus and Busaka on the left. And for me, it was a bit strange. But yeah, that was a plan. And then I look at Kaizer Chiefs. Similar thing. We had Paseko Mako, and then McCarthy, and then
There was Miguel.
this boy. I like this boy. No,
I mean,
not Kunyika. The boy
Simango,
from Simang, he came from TS Galaxy, and then you had Udon Duzana ngale Munyane ngale. So they had 5 also at the back. Then in the middle, Mabaso, Boyabenyati.
Yeah.
And then they've got Ulontuzana Umtu played well. Umtu played well.
You should have scored.
Then I mean, I think
you think that was a difference kumdlalo namhlanje. So despite whatever happened emdlalweni, obvious umdlalo will always have tactics, will there will always be that coach who outsmart any coach. But do you think the biggest difference, namhlanje, was the fact that Stellenbosch converted their chances and Kaizer Chiefs missed theirs? Because Umdu converts those two chances, the whole complexion of the game changes. And Zombie, there's a chances for the first half. Same time, I mean, the same thing that happened with Stellenbosch. Now, which chance was for the first half, they scored.
Shani, you know, in football, when I say these things, people sometimes they laugh. When I say when the man is down, you kick him. Don't wait for him to stand up because you don't know what is that is carrying when he's going to stand up. Initially, Gavin Hunt was supposed to wrap that game first half. To be really honest, was supposed to wrap the game first half because after scoring those 2 goals, beautiful penalty from Japa. Shem, I like this boy, Maloisan. I hope boy is not bad.
Yeah.
Hope that injury it's not really a serious injury. You'll come back. That's one of the top defenders for me in our Petri Premiership. Is also I like him. He's been there. It still is. He showed us what is that he can do with that defense, and I like him. So I hope that injury is not a serious injury, and it's just an honest. Shane, it's just an honest penalty. Let me put it that way: an honest penalty because Silva really didn't see him. Really. Because he was looking at the ball, his eyes were in the ball, and then when he tried to kick the ball, and then that's when Umalusana put his head there and he got hurt. And sometimes they say you must take one for the team, and that's what he did. They got a penalty. Chapa won, good penalty, and then again, let's go back, or let me leave it to Nashane, and then they scored the second goal.
Yeah.
Mistake from the Uluntusana, the Poyo Mabaso in the midfield, where I even said in the time that sometimes in football, as we grow up with development, they taught us to say, sometimes you need to play the way you're facing. Where you're facing, play where you're facing. Because you didn't see what's happening behind you. So you rather play there so that you don't have problems, So what happened, they took the ball from Umabaso and Titus, very good goal. Titus, well done, Titus. The most difficult ball, Titus. The most difficult ball, my boy. You scored. Well done, good goal. The easiest one where you can even close your eyes, but not for you. Maybe some other players, they can close their eyes. You need to keep on opening your eyes and make sure that next time you score. So 6 yard.
You did mention something game ukuthi performance of Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje was different to games as previous 4 games where they won 1-0. Remember their first game?
Yeah.
Against Or Arrows.
Yeah.
Then they went to Zambia. They came
Yes.
back.
Yeah.
So as a game when I saw, you mentioned something with the performance of Kaizer Chiefs was different. Namhlanje was different to as a game ebedlalile.
Shane,
Intoni ibingu umehluko ongako so kumdlalo namhlanje?
Shane, football is that's another sport. That's another game that really. Sometimes, I remember Coach Toby Jan said, football sometimes will kill you. No, for real. You know why I'm saying this, Shane? Chiefs were winning, but not playing really, the football that you can say is tasty, it's nice, you can enjoy, but they were winning. And then tonight, I think in all the games that I've been seeing, I think this was a much better game. They can combine passes, they can create chances. It was not those goals where Leopold tried to cross and then it's a goal. It was not like that.
Yeah.
They've created chances. Not that they didn't create chances. They were more organized in that midfield. They can play passes, exchange passes. They create situations of 2v1. They release Usirino, release Umtu to go 1v1. It was a nice game. You know, even though when maybe after, especially it happens after, I say 25 minutes, when Estelis were leading 2-0. That's where I started to see more of that. And I enjoyed the game. I enjoyed Sheni. I enjoyed the game. Even from that time until halftime, they came back until they scored with that penalty. Chiefs, where they've played. I've enjoyed the game, even though they've lost. That's a sad part of football. That you played well, you did everything, but it was not one of those games where you can convert the chances.
Yeah, one of those days where izinto zingahambi ngendlela yakho. We saw even Ulilepo hitting a crossbar.
Yeah.
So it was just one of those days where you don't convert the chances, like, especially with cup games, because you don't get a second chance. You puma, and then that's what happened to Kaizer Chiefs. Namhlanje Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Mdlalo Nedbank Cup. Stellenbosch are through to the last 16 of the Nedbank Cup yalonyaka 2026 at Cape Town Stadium. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.